Top 5 tips for making perfect title for your YouTube channel videos. Your video title will not less than 5 words. Remember your titles loud and also within 100 characters. Short tail keyword is best to rank in first. Always try to start your title with main targeted keyword. It is more profitable to use your main keywords into title, not more than one. Clear using hashtags using in title does not make any difference. So always try not to use hashtags into title instead of description. YouTube first language is English, so if we try make title in English language rather than other respective languages, it works best for SEO. Needlessly using keyword into title, it's a bad practice too. For proper optimization, we no need to stretching our titles by using main keywords. It's not good for SEO. Always try to use long tail keywords. Long tail keyword will beneficiary for SEO.